Hey, so I'm really not feeling like editing a video and then uploading it to straight upload. So excuse like pauses and whatever and rambling. Yeah. Anyway, so Friday, I um I had a test and then Aaron and Kira picked me up and we went shopping and we were shopping for like 6 hours like nonstop and it was just too much. I just That's a long time to shop. Really long time, people. Um, then my weekend, I really did nothing. We had people over, my grandpa's sister and her boyfriend over for dinner, but it wasn't very exciting. And then Monday, I went over to Robbie's house for a little while, and we watched a movie, and it was not exciting. It was just whatever it was. But he has a really cute hedgehog, so I like hedgehogs. And Tuesday, I don't think I did anything. I was trying to remember, and I think I might have just stayed in my room all day, which isn't surprising lately, but that's my life. And then Wednesday, I wake up to my grandma at my door, and my mom is on the phone for me, and she's like, "You had a math test today," and I was like, I didn't know about that. So apparently, my school called my mom, which we told them not to do because no one doesn't live here. But so she called my mom, and I apparently had a test. So my grandma was gonna call the school and just explain that like whatever happened. And I told my grandma just told them that I'm sick, so in case they wanted me to still go, I wouldn't have to, because by the time I could actually get there, it would have been an hour into the test. But my grandma's like, no, we should just be honest. So she calls, and they're like, yeah, you could still make it. And I was like, so I got there an hour into the test that I hadn't studied at all for, and I didn't get any extra time. So I did the test that I was supposed to have 2.5 hours for in an hour and a half, and yeah, I was rushing through a lot of it. So I didn't get the best grade, but I passed, and I don't really care. So, and then Thursday, I had the last test of my semester, my fifth semester. So I'm completely done. And then after my test, I went, I don't know, Kenzie for a little while. And then we went snowboard. And it was my first time snowboarding, and it was really exhausting and painful. But it was still really fun. I was actually going to put a clip in, but now I can't really. And I would just do it and then put a clip in, but I'm really too lazy to do it again, so I'll just put it in next week. This is the stuff that I could edit out if I were not doing it the lazy way, but I'm doing it the lazy way, so whatever. And then today, all day, I spent, well, I read for 7 hours, but yeah, I spent 7 hours reading John Green's The Fault in Our Stars. Oh, it was, you guys really, really should read it. It's just incredible. I like cried off all of my makeup, so um, yeah, that's why I don't have any on. Although it's pretty dark, so anyway, um, yeah, so that was my day. I just sobbing like a little baby, reading The Fault in Our Stars, and then I moved a little bit of my stuff upstairs into my new room. Yeah, because I have to be up there by next weekend for sure. So I like gonna be a little 5-year old and a little newborn baby and two more adults in the house, and I'm just gonna go crazy. It's gonna be really awful, but hopefully hopefully it won't be all awful, but I kind of sense it will be. Anyway, yeah, that's about it for me. That's really annoying. Anyway, um, I like you guys lots, and I am gonna go, and I'll post my video next week. And Tucker, I really miss hearing from you. Please start posting your videos again. Even if you film them whenever you have some spare time at your house, and then upload them whatever day you get the chance, somewhere that's not your house. But please, that'd be nice. Yeah, so I'll talk to you guys later.